Hi, thank you for joining us again. My name is Connie Tran. I am the SNAP Education and Outreach Coordinator with our Food and Nutrition Services section, part of the Division of Family and Child Wellbeing. This project is a collaboration with North Carolina Emergency Management Team, and my colleague next to me is...
Hi, I'm Jaquita Hicks-Smallwood. I'm the Deputy Director for the Food and Nutrition Services section.
Perfect. What are we doing today, Jaquita?
Today we will be making tuna on whole wheat crackers. Our recipe calls for 1 pack of tuna. It also calls for whole wheat crackers, as well as a tablespoon of diced onions. But today we're going to use a teaspoon since we have a small can of tuna. A pinch of salt. And you can also add in some black pepper or herbs, depending on the taste and or to your liking.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and get started.
Yep, and the tuna we're doing today is canned, but you know they have lots of options now with packets, right? And
Yes.
lots of different flavors, so we can definitely do that. So I'm actually going to try to drain this.
Here you go.
And we'll have that in our bowl. Can you help me get the onions, a little bit of
Sure.
onions in here?
So
And
go
of
ahead
course,
and-
that is also optional.
Get a teaspoon of the onions. Again, you can add onion powder or whole
Yep,
onions,
yep.
depending on what's your preference.
Yep.
Um,
Garlic powder is another good
also,
option.
yeah,
Yep.
that is also a great option as well.
Perfect.
We'll just do a little bit more cunning,
Sounds good.
just for taste.
Okay. And you can go ahead and help me maybe do a pinch of everything that we have. Salt, the black pepper, and then we have a little bit of the dry basil today just to add a little flavor there. So this is a non-cooking option. So
Right.
quick, fast, and easy. And
Yep.
you can find this easily in the stores.
And it is also a low-cost option that you can also add to your disaster preparedness kit as well.
Absolutely. And this is a fun recipe, actually. You know, you have a little daughter, and I actually have a
Yes.
little son, and this is something I've done with my son, and they love it because
Yeah.
it's something that they can hold in
Yep.
their hand and scoop up,
And it's also a healthy option as
it
well.
is a healthy option. Yeah. So we have, you know, there are varieties of whole grain crackers out there, so you can definitely choose whichever option you like. And whenever you're ready to eat, you scoop it up, have it nice up here. Usually I would get a little bigger of a cracker.
Right.
But this is it. This is it. And
Yep.
that's all you need for this recipe.